Yeah, YouTube. You've seen this on YouTube plenty of time, but I'm gonna cook two different things with this thing. I'm only gonna cook one for one recipe and another one, but I'm gonna just cook it in bulk. See, I got two patties. I mean, two links for 405, and I'm just gonna cook it in here. YouTube. So you see that sausage? That pork sausage Mexican. I got that taken out of the casing, and I crushed this down a bit. So when you cook this stuff in bulk, you can use this for many recipes. I'm showing you this video because I'll probably use it in other videos. But the thing is, since you see the color in there, it's not like beef where it turns red to gray. It's hard to tell when this is done. So basically cook it on for 3 minutes on each side. And that's basically it. Then once it's done, let it cool off and you can use it in many recipes. Peace. Alright YouTube, so the thing I did do is I wanted to come back and show you. I cooked it on that one side for 3 minutes and it's on medium. And I'm going to cook it on this side for another 3 minutes. And after that, I'll break it up and I'll use it in recipes. You can do the same. I won't bore you again, so I'll just show you this. And with this sausage, Mexican sausage, you can make many different recipes. Peace. So once you cook that Mexican sausage and break it down, that's what it looks like. It looks like ground beef. And I had it in this bowl for a little bit. Look at the juice in there. So you'll take, yeah, you can see that juice in there. You'll take the sausage and put it in the bowl and you'll let it rest and all the stuff will come together.